Hello and welcome back to FEM-Design video lessons. In this video, you will learn how to model different support types in FEM-Design software. In here, we have point support, we have point support group, we have line support group, and surface support group. Let's start with the point support. You can model point support with the define function here, and the basic properties in a point support is the direction of that support and or a direction according to x, y or z axis, and the direction according to that axis. Is it positive or negative? So I'm gonna click here. I want a support to be parallel with z-axis, and I want it to be in a positive direction. By clicking it to the grid, I can see my point support there. I can also quickly change these, and I can see the other point supports appearing in my view. From default settings, you can modify the spring values here for spring values and for plastic limits in here by activating these also. In here, you will only have motion spring to one direction according to the direction that you have modeled your point support. We can now open the point support group. Modeling this is quite similar to modeling the last point support. However, in here you will have all the motions springs and also all the rotation springs, as you can see from the picture here or from the view. By opening the default settings, I can see all the data that is in my point support group here. I have springs and plastic limits, but I also have options for rotation springs here. I can always change these values from here. I can use predefined types from here. And I can also change the behavior of detach from here. You can see the changes in there. And I can save these and use pre-saved types for my point supports. Let's move to line support. The line support is basically the same than the point support, and you can see it also in the line support window or in the settings. However, defining the line support in our view, when I click here, I need to show 2 points for that support. And here you can see the direction of my support and the placement in my grid for that support, like this. And if I change this value here, I can see that my line support direction changes. We can now move on to line support group. This is the same than line support. However, it's the same than in point support group. Now we also have rotation springs in our support, which you can see from here. And modeling this is the same like this, but you can see the rotation springs in the view. And what we have lastly is surface support group. Modeling this is basically same than modeling any plate to the view. As you can see from here, I just show two points in my grid, and now I have surface support there. From default settings, we can see data, springs, and plastic limits. And we also have the same, we can select predefined type, we can save different types, and we can also change the behavior from here. Of course, in here too, you can change these like this. So that was all for the supports in FEM-Design. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.